Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Me and Maths. Students, in this video I will show you how to solve linear equations. Let's get started. Class 8 Chapter 2 Exercise 2.5 Solve the linear equations. Students, actually solving an equation means finding the value of the variable. If you see in this question we have the variable x. If we find the value of this variable, I mean the answer of this variable, so equation will be solved. Then here the question comes, how we can solve the equation? We have to use the transposing technique. I will show you in this video. So students, let us start the video. Solve the linear equations. The first question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So in this equation we have the two sides, left side and right side. The step number 1 is arrange all the x terms on one side. On the left side we have the x term and right side also we have the x term. Then what I am doing here, I am just arranging these terms on one side. I am transposing x by 3 to the left hand side. X by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. See here, x terms is one side, then the numbers are on the other side. So you can observe here x by 3 is a positive. If you transpose to that side, it will become negative. We already learned this transposing technique in our previous videos. Minus 1 by 5, if you transpose from the left side to the right side, it will become what here? Plus 1 by 5. So this is the step number 1. Then this is the fraction form. Now we have to solve this fraction form into the linear equation form, right? Then what can I do? I have to do the LCM of the denominators 2 and 3. As we all know that the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. X by 2. So LCM is 6. Then what should I multiply to get the 6 here? I should multiply here 3. In the same numerator also I should multiply 3. Then next minus x by 3. In the denominator what should I multiply to make it has 6? 3 into 2. Then here the same number I should multiply in the numerator. So like this we have to do the LCM. What you are multiplying in the denominator, the same number should be multiplied on numerator, equal to 1 by 4. Now here 4 and 5 LCM is what here? So here 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So I should make here one denominator has a 20. So what should I multiply here? I should multiply 5 to make here 20. The same number I should multiply to the numerator, plus 1 by 5. Then here also same I should make here the LCM 20. So I should multiply here 4. The same number I should multiply to the numerator. Now here x into 3, the answer is 3x by 6 minus 2 into x is 2x upon 6 equal to 1 into 5 is 5, 4 into 5 is 20 plus 1 into 4 is 4 by 5 into 4 is 20. Now here we got the LCM 6, then here we got the LCM what here? 20, the same like LCM. I hope you know this one, the LCM, how to do the LCM. Now here I have the same denominator, so I can write here 6 here. Then directly I can subtract the numerators. So here also same, the denominators are same, so I can take denominator as 20, then I can add the numerators 5 plus 4. The next here 3x minus 2x, answer is what here? x upon 6 equal to 5 plus 4, answer is 9, 9 upon 20. So here also I got the fraction form. Now I have to change this fraction form into a linear form. Then how I can do? Here also I can use some cross multiplications here. Like x is multiplied with 20, then 6 is multiplied with 9. Now here I can cross multiply the numbers here. X into 20 is 20x equal to 6 into 9 is 54. Then here I have to find the value of the variable x. X equal to 54 by 20. Now students, I can simplify these numbers with the help of the 2 table. 2 tens are 20, then 2 into 27 is 54. Now 27 by 10 is the simplest form. So x equal to 27 by 10. So students, x equal to 27 by 10 is the answer. So like this we can find the value of the variable. Okay students, let us start question number 2. N by 2 minus 3 into n by 4 plus 5 into n by 6 equal to 21. So students, in this question all the variables are on one side only. Let us solve it. Step number 1, we have to do the LCM of all the denominators. So let us do the LCM of all the denominators here. 2, 6, 2, 4, 6. With 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. Again 2 table here, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, again 3 will be remain same like this. Then again with the help of 3 table, 1 will be same, 3 ones are 3. So the LCM is here, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So students, we got the LCM here 12. Now let us make here all the denominators same like equal to LCM, that is 12. Let us see here, n by 2 into, so here we have 2. So which number I should multiply here to get 12? So 2 into 6. If I multiply 6, I will get here 2. I will get here 12. The same number I should multiply in the numerator. Then minus 3 into n upon 4. Then again here, what number I should multiply here to get the LCM 12? So if I multiply 3, then I will get the LCM 12. The same number I should multiply in the numerator, plus 5 into n upon 6. Then here I should multiply here 2. The same number should be multiplied in the numerator, equal to 21. N into 6, answer is 6n upon, here 2 into 6 is 12 minus 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into n by 12 plus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into n by 12 equal to, students, now here we got the same denominators. So if same denominators are there, directly you can simplify the numerators. 6n minus 9n plus 10 into n equal to 21. Now this is in fraction form, so I can transpose this 12 to the right hand side. So here is the division. If I send this 12 to the right side, so it will become what here? Multiplication. Let us do it. 6 into n minus 9 into n plus 10 into n equal to 21 into 12. If I send this 12 to right side, so it will become multiplication. Then here let us simplify here. So 6 minus 9, answer is minus 3, minus 3 plus 10, so answer is what here? 7n. 7n equal to 21 into 12. So first let us multiply 21 into 10. 21 into 10 is 210, then 2 into 21 is 42. 210 plus 42, so answer is 252. Then here we can find the value of n very easily. So n equal to 252 upon 7. Now I can divide this 252 by 7, or you can simplify here. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 into 36 is 256. So my answer is n equal to 36. N equal to 36 is the answer. So 7 1s are 7, 7 into 36 is 252. Then n equal to 36 is the answer. I hope you understand question number 2.